Hey, welcome back. So, shoes off. Let's do a tour. Let's do a tour of this. Yeah, you're inside an umbrella. I mean, under an umbrella, so it should be dry. Before entering the main temple, this one, let's do a tour of it. Full 360 view. And yes, no shoes. I put it in the shoe rack, which is way safer. Let's look at this. Let's go there. You see this flags? Flags are leading me towards somewhere. Oh, this is under construction. Nice. The red, blue, yellow, orange and white, they are the colors of Buddhist flag. I think it's universal. Universal in the sense international. Internationally, this is accepted. Look at that tree. The tree has been painted in the same color. Yeah, that's the Buddhist flag. If you see these 5 colors together, and then there's a pattern. Blue, yellow, red, white, and then orange. Yeah, that's the pattern. So, let's see what this hall is. Yeah, it's open. It's open. Oh, it's slippery. There's no grip. It's slippery. Wow. It's full of moss. And now it's tiles. Everything is so slippery. Hey, does that water work? I'm thirsty. I mean, oh, I did not even rehydrate. Does that work? I don't have a cup. Wow, look at that. This is Tây Khmer / Pake. We have the same written what do you call it? Written alphabets made of bamboo. Strips of bamboo. Just like Ultron. Remember Ultron? How is he made from vibranium? Strips of it. Thank you for keeping us safe today. Especially today. Thank you so much. Let's see what else we got. I'll be coming here almost every day till the time I'm here. Or maybe not. You know, I think I'll be uploading these videos unedited, raw. Yeah, how about that? No, not for the sake of uploading, just for the sake of uploading. Hey, why don't I cut through the grass? I hope there are no leeches. I hope there are no leeches. That's gonna be a problem. The problem with leeches is not that they bite you, it's that your blood don't stop. Because they have that poison in their salivary glands that stops the blood clot. And that's why you keep bleeding. Or you have not experienced leech before. And there's definitely leech because I can see the houses of earthworms. Yeah. Chow Charlie Main, 86 to 51. He saw World War II during his end years. Respect. Right, let's roll. Okay, what was it? Oh yeah, the new building. Let's go check out the new building. And then finally we shall be entering the Golden Pagoda itself. Wow, that looks pretty. Yeah, like you're walking with me, walking in the rain. How come those videos of walking in the rain get millions of views and I and my videos get 10, huh? That seems unfair, doesn't it? I can relate to Wanda so bad. Walking in the rain in New York, walking in the rain in Japan, How come those videos get millions upon millions of views, huh? Or maybe because the person don't talk and I'm talking the whole way. Hey, imagine this. You're walking in Arunachal Pradesh and I'm here with you. Yeah. Because who wants to walk alone? Yeah, who wants to walk alone, right? Ah. Looks nice. It's completely inspired in Thailand. There are those pointy roofs, mostly in Thailand, you see. Oh, there's a lot to see. Look at that, the Garuda at the top. At the top is a Garuda. Okay? We have the lions protecting. Okay, this mossy. It's very mossy. Actually, entire Northeast has been raining for the past how many months? Yes, I said months. Rose. Darker rose. Yeah, we're going there, the snake one. The snake. Yeah, we have time to spare since we made it here early. That's why we can roll around. Wow. Yeah, this is definitely Thailand inspired. Thailand / Myanmar, Cambodia. These are houses of earthworms. See that? Grass, then suddenly there's mud. Whoa! Wow. Yeah. I hope this video is worth the play. How deep is this? No idea. Can I like touch it? It's rainwater. You know, you could they could use this for rainwater harvesting. Looks pretty. It's not waist deep, so you can't even swim in it. Okay, and what else? There was a family inside the temple. Whoop. No, I saw. Oh, this one. There it is. I have to walk in the grass because I didn't see any other way. Yep. Water festival called Sanken or Songkran in the month of April, around April, May. So what the people do is they come out, walk up to here, they put water inside this thing. Oh, you thought it was solid? Wrong. Boom. Water. See that? Yeah. So this water, it flows inside the tail, and see, yeah, you see that people will keep statues of Buddha there, and it's a festival. It's a water festival. I might make one later on. Finally, let us enter the Kongmu Kham, aka Golden Pagoda. It's aka, the locals call it Kyong Kham. Kyong is in temple, Kongmu is in pagoda. It's interchangeable. Okay, and here I thought Arunachal did not have rain. It rained way heavier in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, yeah, we're going from the side. Yeah, let's go from the front. I can see the statue facing towards that. And there's a lady, long hair. Yeah, this is the fun of walking in the rain. How do they even record those videos? They use an ASMR mic, a gimbal in hand, and just walk around town for an hour. Alrighty, here we go. Wow. Please maintain silence. I'm gonna keep my umbrella here. Yep, we're safe. Alright. Okay. Oh, I don't think I could. Yeah, photography is strictly prohibited inside the temple. So, well, that's all you're gonna get to see. I shall continue recording after I come out. Yeah, I'm gonna pray for well-being and health of the people, of nature, of my viewers, whoever will watch this video. And after that, yeah, we'll continue recording. Yeah, quite spacious. Quite spacious. Alrighty. Hey. See you after I walk out, okay?